washing portion of the process, we have our tradition fixed back handpiece here. The burr has already been removed in the operatory, and we've also purged the water on the unit hose for 30 seconds through the handpiece. So now we're here and we're going to do the washing portion, and we're going to start by taking our Midwest cleaner and we're going to spray this on the outside of the handpiece. You can use running water and a sponge, and we're just going to remove any debris off the exterior of the handpiece. Okay. We want to make sure if it is the fiber optic version that we clean this little light window. Make sure that's nice and clean. If it's non-fiber optic handpiece, you don't need to worry about that. We're going to rinse this under running water. Water and the Midwest cleaner do not hurt this handpiece, but we do not want to spray, wipe, or soak with any disinfectants, alcohols, or chemicals. Just water and the Midwest Plus cleaner to remove any exterior debris. We're just going to go ahead and dry this off with a paper towel, and then it's ready for the next step. So we've got our Midwest Tradition Pro handpiece here fixed back in. This would be true for any fixed back handpiece. We have the quick connector QC adapter on the back of this handpiece. So this changes how we interface it with the Automate here. So we've already done the washing portion of this. We've washed all the debris off the outside. Now we're going to lube and expel using our Midwest Automate system. Go ahead and open the door here. First thing we want to think about is doing the chuck maintenance. The chuck maintenance needs to be done once per week. Normally just pick one day a week and do your chuck maintenance. The way we're going to do that with the Automate is just hold the burr tube up to the point of this chuck maintenance port, press and release the button. That does is to do a quick blast of cleaner and lubricant, a little shot of air. When the green light goes out, we can pull that away. Then after every patient or after every use, we're going to go ahead and install it on the maintenance port. We have our QC maintenance adapter on position 1 here. So we're going to go ahead and load this handpiece on position 1. We're going to look at the tubes and line them up like the picture. And you're going to push the tubes into the adapter. Then we're going to spin this nut until it drops into the slot, and then you pull down on the nut and turn it to the left to lock it on. After you line the tubes up, you don't move the handpiece at all, just turn the nut to line everything else up. Okay, so once that's locked on there, we could go ahead and add a couple more handpieces, motors, attachments here, because we got a couple more ports. Right now we're just going to run the Tradition in the Automate. So we're going to go ahead and close the door, press start, and what that does is it's going to give a quick blast of that cleaner and lubricant, and then it's going to blow air through the handpiece for 60 seconds to blow all that excess oil and debris out. The light's going to blink while it's processing, and then it will turn solid green when the cycle is complete. So once we see that the light is steady on, we know that the handpiece is done. We're going to go ahead and open the door up. We're going to take this ring and pull down on it and spin it to the right. And the handpiece will come right off. So this handpiece is ready to go to the next step in your process. So again, we're going to get one more clean paper towel and just dry off the outside of that handpiece. Make sure there's no excess oil on the outside of the handpiece. Then it's ready to be bagged and sterilized. And you want to refer to the product IFU, the instructions for use, for specific sterilization instructions.